Okay, so once again, let's review our property for when you have secants or tangents, or really just when you have an angle with a vertex on the outside of the circle. Notice once again, when that happens, your angle comes through and it creates two arcs. What you do when it's on the outside of the circle is you subtract the two arcs, the larger minus the smaller, and divide by 2, and that gives you your angle. So again, whether it's secants or tangents, okay, if you have an angle outside of the circle, you're going to create two arcs when you intersect the circle. They look a little different in each case, but there's always two arcs. And again, just remember, if your angle is out with a vertex outside of the circle, the rule is that the angle is 1/2 of the big arc that it makes minus the little arc that it makes. Let's do an example here. It wants me to find the value of x, so I'm going to use that property because notice I have an angle, its vertex is outside of the circle. When it comes through here, it does create two arcs. One of the arcs is 42, that's the littler one. The bigger one is x. We need to set up an equation to solve for x. Well, we know that this is our equation. Angle is 1/2 of the big arc minus the little arc. Fill in the information. What's the angle? The angle is 24 degrees. That's equal to 1/2 of the bigger arc, the one that covers more ground, is x, and the smaller one is 42. So we just fill in our information, and now we want to solve for x. So to get rid of a 1/2, we multiply by 2. Whatever we do on one side, we have to do to the other. 2 times 24 gives me 48, and I have 48 equals x minus 42. We're going to go ahead and solve for x. It's a minus 42, so we add 42 to both sides to solve it, and we have our x. (48 plus 42 is 90. So this arc over here is a 90-degree arc.